Welcome back to the Big Blue Boat Shed, folks. As you can see, I'm still in the bilge, working on the Skeg. I have to eat a little bit of crow. I messed up, had to tear the whole thing out. I'll show you some pictures of what happened and overlay some dialogue on that. But it's back in place, and right now I'm about to put in some bolts that I made. Show you a brief video of that, and I'm going to seal them up with some good old 3M marine adhesive. So it's not very exciting. It's a grunt work. I'll learn in and out of the boat, but this thing will be bolted in today and will never ever come out in my lifetime anyways. So there you have it. Stand by. I don't know, this welding stuff ain't too hot. One worked good, one didn't. Don't know what I'm doing wrong, but oh well. This is the Skeg out of the boat, and when I had it made, I had slots cut in it to give me some adjustment, and I must have screwed up because the offset holes are on the wrong side. Quick trip to the local machine shop, and my buddy Henry got out his plasma torch and recut the holes. So after that was all said and done, I reassembled the Skeg and slid it back into place. And here's my helping third hand holding the nuts while I tighten the bolts. Bolted in and not going anywhere. This was one of the hardest jobs to date.